This raven has got a mouthful of something. Could be eating it, or it could be just caching it like they do. These guys, like a lot of other birds, intelligent ones, are able to stow food away in little hidey holes that only they know about. And I think the raven can identify up to 30, I think it's 30 different hiding spots of food. So when times are lean, they can go back to them. This bird, I think, is probably my favourite Australian bird. Although, you know, they're not just exclusively Australian. Ravens are all over the world. But I think this one's the largest of the Corvid family. His Latin name is Corvus Coronoides. This is an adult because he's got the silvery blue eye ring. When they're younger, the juveniles, they have a all brown eye, uniformly brown. And another reason these are my favourite birds is because they get such a bad rap. They've got an undeserved negative stereotype, which I would say is perpetuated by the Walt Disneys of the world and the ignorant, bloody-minded Christians as well, who since they popped up out of nowhere, have related anything black to their boogeyman / devil, Satan, whatever you want to call him. So anything black is associated with evil, which is such a load of crap. These guys are far from evil. They are so intelligent. Probably one of the most intelligent creatures on the planet. They're right up there with great apes and dolphins and that sort of animal. Their reasoning capabilities are astounding. I've seen footage of these guys. In fact, I've seen them in life, using tools, working out problems. I've seen lots of footage of their tool use. Yeah, but still people persist in thinking they're evil. It's like other black things as well. Black cats, black wolves, black people. All these creatures have got this incorrect stereotype about being evil or crazy or bad. Nothing could be further from the truth. They're fantastic parents, they're friendly, they're gregarious, they actively seek out fun and pleasure. Which is a sign of incredibly vast intelligence. I love them. The Australian raven, Corvus Coronoides. Beautiful bird, misunderstood, beautiful bird. And that's my raven rant. Aussie birds rock.